Hello everyone, I'm going to explain you my poem, which is divided in 5 stanzas. 4 of them are quatrains and one of them it is a sextet. I'm going to read the poem, and after that I'm going to explain you the literary devices that I used and the rhyme schemes that I use in this poem.
The love. How difficult it is to find a love nowadays. Some prefer physical beauty, but they find people with hurry. In their hearts believe they found a ways. They are empty of love. Others want people with money, and they become unfunny because they put the wealth above. Well done, people who look for money. The money is the root of all bills, and don't be held over heels. It doesn't matter what she feels if the money all heals, even if it is the worst decision of your life's journey. The heart of someone in love is like the earth's lungs. It breathes thanks to him, and the nature restores its skin, becoming everything in happiness and fixing the chunks. The love is amazing as the sky. It makes you fly, even believe in others, like being brothers.
Okay, after I have read the poem, I'm going to explain you the rhyme schemes that I used. This is the first stanza. In this I use the rhyme scheme is A B B A because the first line rhymes with the last line and the second line rhymes with the third one. Okay, this is the second stanza. In this, I use the same rhyme scheme because the rhyme scheme is A B B A because the first line rhymes with the last line and the second line rhymes with the third one. And this is the third stanza. In this sextet, I use the rhyme scheme A B B B B A because the first line rhymes with the last one, and the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one rhymes among them. Okay, this is the fourth stanza. In this, the rhyme scheme that I used is A B B A because the first line rhymes with the last one and the second one rhymes with the third one. And this is the last stanza. In this, I use the rhyme scheme A B B because the first line rhymes with the second one and the third one rhymes with the last one. Okay, now I'm going to point out the literary devices that I use in my poem, and we are going to see sarcasm, idiom, hyperbole, similes, and personifications into the poem, and I'm going to identify all of them. Okay, now I'm going to identify the literary devices that I used. And this is the first stanza. Here I didn't use literary devices. This is the second one, and I don't use literary devices here. Okay, this is the third one, the third stanza, and the first line, well done people who look for money. This is sarcasm. Okay, and the third line, and don't be head over heels. Okay, be head over heels is an idiom. And the fifth line, if the money all heals, this is a sarcasm. Okay, this is the fourth stanza. And the first line, the heart of someone in love is like the earth's lungs. This is a hyperbole. Okay, the second line, it breathes thanks to him. This is a personification. And this is the last stanza. Here in the first line, the love is amazing as the sky. This is a simile. I hope that everything is clear about my point and you have understood all the literary devices and the rhyme schemes that I use in my poem. Thank you.